In this course, you will learn how to scrape the web using Python. But what is web scraping and why it's important? Well, web scraping is collecting data from websites. It's just going to or making a request to a website and get data from that website or many different websites. But you might ask, why would we do that? Why can't we just copy the data from a specific website? For example, you maybe want to get this paragraph. So why not copying this paragraph and pasting in a text file and we are done? Why can't we do that? Well, of course you can do that. There is no problem with that. But nowadays in the internet, there are thousands, if not millions of web pages. And if you were just to copy each single paragraph or each single piece of text or piece of data, it's going to take you forever. It's almost impossible to do that. Therefore, Python comes in handy. By using Python, you will be able to get the data that you are interested in quickly and from different websites, and you will save a lot of time. For example, if you head on over to Google and type news, you'll find hundreds of results. As you can see, many websites, and you might want to get data from different websites. So it's going to be very difficult for you to open each single website, for example this website and then Yahoo and then BBC, for example, and then copy each single piece of news and pasting them in your PC. It's going to take you a lot of time, and if you need to do that every day, it's painful. I can tell you it's painful. It's going to take you a lot of time, especially if you need to repeat the process. Therefore, by using Python, you can automate the process. Let me show you an example. For example, we have this blog about coffee, and this blog has many articles, and for some reason, you might need to copy all of these articles or images or even tags, for some reason, for maybe data analysis or for some other reason. It's going to take you a very long time to copy all of these articles. And you might be interested in a specific keyword. And in order to search for that keyword, it's also difficult. You need to go through all of these articles. But by scraping these articles, the process is going to be very simple. Another example is getting data from e-commerce websites. As you can see here, they have this website sells t-shirts. You might want to get the image and also the title and the price. And if that website has lots of these t-shirts and lots of products, it's going to take you a lot of time to collect this data. Therefore, by using Python, you can automate the process and collect data quickly. Another common example is getting data from news websites. As you know, the news comes out every day, and you might need to collect news every day for some reason, and that is going to take you a lot of time. If you were to do that manually, it's going to take you a lot of time and also probably a lot of money, because you would have to hire somebody for this. But by automating the process, you're going to save yourself a lot of time and a lot of money.